Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to perform a deletion operation on a single linked list provided the position of a node. Hope in my previous video, if you have seen, we have discussed about the deletion operation based on the information that was stored in any of the node. Now coming to this particular function wherein we are supposed to discuss about the deletion based on position. This is almost on the similar line as that of the previous function that we have discussed. That is what I can say. If I assume that this is my linked list wherein some 4 nodes are there with information as 5, 10, 15 and 20. So this is my starting node. So base case I can say that okay, first case is case 1. If the position that is being supplied to me is 1. If position is 1, it implies that I have to delete first node. So this was quite simple. What we do, make attempt to hold the address of the first node or the start node, change the reference of start from the first node to second node. So this was quite simple. Second case, case 2, I'll assume that my linked list has some 5 nodes. Wherein information here, I'll assume that okay, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 are there. So this is my start, which contains the address of my first node. In this case, if the value of position is equal to 4, in the sense I need to delete the 4th node. If I want to delete 4th node, anyway I know the address of the first node, traverse till 4th node. What I am supposed to do is traverse until 4th node. Now once I'll maybe this will be my final thing. I will traverse initially I will make current to hold the address of first node. I will traverse current till 4th node, and then I'll have my previous holding the address of the node before current. So previous is the address of third node. What we are supposed to do? We are supposed to delete current. So previous of address should hold the address of 5th node. Now which is my 5th node? 5th node is nothing but current of address. So this is what I am supposed to do. Now worst case in the sense, assume that there are only 5 nodes in my linked list and I am trying to delete the 7th node or the 6th node. 6th node is not at all there. So how it can be checked? While traversing current, if current comes across a null, then it implies that the node that we are searching is not there in the linked list. I think with this information we can come up with a function. Function return type as node, function name delete position, argument to function node start, and the second argument is the position. We may use variables of the data type node as temp, current and previous. Even here also we are not going to check whether list is not there, then we can't perform the deletion operation. If you want, you can have that particular statement. If start is equal to null, list is empty, and then you can return start or return null. Now assuming that list is there, I will come up with the first case. If position is equal to 1, make temp to hold the address of the first node, temp is equal to start, and make start to hold the address of the second node. Start is equal to start of address. Printf node deleted is percentage D, which is nothing but temp of data, free temp, return start. So this was my best case, wherein the node to be deleted is the first node. If not, I need to traverse. So here I need to traverse until I get the fourth node. So what we need to do is we need to have a variable. We need to have a variable by name count, which is initialized to 1 first. Okay, count is equal to 1. I will come up with the second case. What I will do, previous is equal to null, current is equal to star, while current not equal to null, and position not equal to count. Now what I will do, I will just change the reference of previous and current. Previous is equal to current. Current is equal to current of address. And I need to update count. Count is equal to count plus 1. Now in at this case, while traversing current, if current goes beyond the linked list, or you can use any of the condition. I can use the other condition as if position and count are not same. If position not equal to count. Or what you can do is you can take it as if current is equal to null. If they are not same, then printf node not found. Return star. You can give this error message as node not found or position not found or position invalid. If this condition is false, then it implies that current is pointing to the node to be deleted. What we are supposed to do? Previous of address is pointing to current of address. Printf node deleted is percentage T, which is nothing but current of data. Free current, return start. Close the function. This should accomplish our task. Hope this is clear. This is about how to perform a deletion operation based on the position of a node. Thank you.